Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, yesterday, Punjab government has announced a much awaited Chief Minister Mawa Tiya Satkar Yojana, providing rupees 1,000 to her to every adult woman. So today, City Mayor Principal Inderjeet Kaur addressed a press conference here regarding this. So, ma'am, please explain the entire process, when the registration will start, and what is the eligibility for this.
First of all, from the core of my heart, I thank our worthy Chief Minister Sardar Bhagwant Singh Maan, our National Convener Arvind Kejriwal ji, Manish Sisodia ji, and along with that, whole of the cabinet ministers, along with the MLAs, that who have announced such a historic, we can say, guarantee, which was much awaited from last 4 years. So yesterday it was International Women Day Eve, and on this auspicious occasion, this announcement has made their day really special. So according to this guarantee, the women who are above the age of 18 or above the age of 18, they will be the beneficiaries of the scheme. Particularly, they need to have their Aadhaar cards, voter cards, and along with their bank accounts. So registration will be started from 13th of April, and the pensioners who are already getting the pensions from the government, they will be also included in this scheme, and exempted from the pension they are receiving, they will be getting the extra benefit of this particular scheme. So thank you, our worthy Chief Minister, for making us feel so special and making every woman of Punjab so special.
Ma'am, is it the every women above 18 years, or what is the specifically the eligibility criteria for this?
Everybody, every girl who has crossed up the age of 18 will be eligible for that. There are two exceptions. One is of ITR, and one MLAs or ex MLAs, they won't be included in this category. Rest, a whole of the Punjab women above the age of 18, whether it can be the upper limit can cross up 90s also, everybody will be covered up under this benefit.
Whether they are getting pension or whether they're getting any other benefit from other scheme, they will be covered in it.
Yeah, everybody will be covered up. The schemes which are the other schemes which are benefiting them won't affect their eligibility. They will be getting the benefit of the scheme also.
You mentioned that ITR is also one of the exemption. So, is there any limit, or the women who are also filing the nil ITR, they will also get the benefit?
Only it's ITR, nothing else.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, how you are going to now reach them out? Now, how you are going to start the process?
As earlier we did a lot of registrations, you might remember it was the day when Arvind Kejriwal ji visited Ludhiana, Guru Nanak Bhavan, and he announced this special guarantee. At that time also we did the registrations. We went a single door to door, and we did it so in the same way. Whether the people they have given us the votes, they have elected Aam Aadmi Party, still we'll give them door to door service. And along with that, the help of the administration, along with the help of the whole persons, volunteers, everybody will be involved, and we are going to give this benefit to each and every house.
So, as counselors are with you now today, so you are going to organize special camps also in specific wards.
Yeah, it will be. Before this also we were organizing a lot of camps, which were of different things, like voter cards, Aadhaar cards, for this health card also. If for everything we are organizing the camps, and definitely for this scheme also we'll be organizing much more camps in each area.
But opposition is targeting, they are demanding the previous 48,000 areas. So, what is your take on it?
uh, I would like to say that they were not able to accomplish even a single guarantee which they people have promised. It was in their manifesto, but still they were not able to finish, prove themselves for a single guarantee also. Whether it was about kar naukri, means employment in each house, whether it was related to the 2500, which was going to be given to everybody, whether we talk about our 15 lakh अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, तो nothing has been given. We were just befooled. But this is the single party, Aam Aadmi Party, which have fulfilled all the guarantees which were given. Even except that, you might have watched that the guarantee was only for 1000 rupee, but the guarantee was not for 1500, but all it's a double gift for the women belonging to SC caste, that they'll be given 1500 rupees. So this is Aam Aadmi Party doing a very good job. Aam Aadmi Party is related with the common people. They just find out what are the problems with the common people, and we are not just concerned with the leaders who know how to come and speak in front of the camera. We are not at all bothered about what they say. We are here to accomplish what we are with, what we have promised and what we are promising, and I assure that we are going to accomplish even a single promise in coming future also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So she is city mayor principal Inderjeet Kaur. So we thanked the government, Punjab government, for this scheme, and she mentioned that as the registration process is starting from April 13, city mayor along with the councillors, administration, they will work door to door. They will organize special camps so that every beneficiary get this benefit. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Dostuvira for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.